Effective dining etiquette is a timeless skill that reflects on one's social grace and respect for others. Whether at a business lunch, a formal dinner, or a casual meal with friends, knowing the basic principles of table manners can leave a lasting positive impression. The following guide presents essential dining etiquette tips to follow. 1. Punctuality. Arriving on time for a meal is a sign of respect for the host and other guests. If you anticipate being late, it's courteous to inform the host ahead of time. 2. Dress appropriately. Adhere to the dress code mentioned in the invitation. For formal events, choose semi-formal or formal attire. When in doubt, it is better to be slightly overdressed than underdressed. 3. Wait to be seated. At formal gatherings, wait for the host to indicate seating arrangements. Do not seat yourself unless explicitly directed to do so. 4. Napkin use. Place the napkin on your lap as soon as you sit down. Use the napkin to gently dab your mouth, but do not use it to blow your nose. At the end of the meal, place the napkin neatly to the left of your plate or on your chair if you must leave temporarily during the meal. 5. Utensil etiquette. Begin with the outermost utensils on the table setting and work your way inward with each subsequent course. Place utensils on your plate in a 4 o'clock position when finished to signal to the server that you are done. 6. Table posture. Sit up straight and keep your elbows off the table. Your hands should remain above the table when eating, but avoid gesturing with utensils in hand. 7. Serving yourself. If dining family style, wait for the serving dish to come around and take modest portions initially. It is fine to take seconds after everyone has been served. 8. Bread etiquette. When bread is served, tear off a small piece rather than biting directly into it. Butter each piece individually, just before eating it. 9. Passing food. Pass food items to the right unless seated at a large round table where it is more efficient to pass towards the center. Always offer the serving dish to others before taking some for yourself. 10. Talking and eating. Avoid talking with your mouth full. Take small bites, chew with your mouth closed, and engage in conversation between bites. 11. Alcohol consumption. If alcohol is served, be mindful of your intake. Moderation is key, especially in a professional setting. Toasts are typically offered by the host or a designated person. 12. Handling spills. If you accidentally spill something, apologize promptly. If necessary, discreetly ask the server for assistance in cleaning up the spill. 13. Handling disagreements. If you disagree with someone during the meal, remain polite and tactful. Avoid raising your voice or becoming confrontational. 14. Electronic devices. Silence or turn off electronic devices before the meal. If you must take an urgent call, excuse yourself from the table. 15. Thanking the host. Always thank the host or hostess before leaving. A handwritten thank you note or a follow-up message the next day is a thoughtful gesture to show your appreciation.